Feel the magic, so pure, so tight, sin preocupaciones, let it all go. Cumbia del alma, let the love flow.
Very good, guys. Breathe in through your nose and out of your mouth. You have 30-second break. We're moving on to cha-cha. We have that double Cuban break and the syncopated Cuban break. We have a reverse basic, time step, and syncopated time step. Get ready. Grab a quick drink of water and get right back onto your spot. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna start with that syncopated Cuban break. Get ready and go. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Singles. Syncopated. Singles. And reverse basic. Repeat. Time step. Syncopated. Time step. Syncopated. Syncopated Cuban breaks. Singles. Syncopated. Singles. Reverse basic. Repeat. Time step. Syncopated. And time. Syncopated. Syncopated Cuban break. Singles. Very good. 30-second break. Moving into our samba, we're gonna start with a corta jaca, then we're gonna go into a spot volta, Botafogos with a basic bounce, whisk, and alternative whisk. Get ready. Breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. Here we go. We're gonna start with that corta jaca. Right foot going forward. 5, 6, 5, 6. Here we go. Step. Repeat. Going into the voltas too slow. Slow. Quick. Do it again. Last one. We're gonna go into those Botafogos with the bounce. bring it back. Forward. Back. Last one. We're gonna whisk with the bounce. An alternative. And whisk. Alternative. Get ready. We're gonna go into a corte jaca. Go. We're gonna repeat. Get ready for those voltas. Go. Slow. Repeat it again. Last one. Botafogo. Repeat. And whisk. And open. And whisk. Alternative. Get ready for your corte jaca. Go. Repeat. And volta. Again. Botafogo. Repeat. Get ready. Whisk. Open it up. Alternative. Alternative. Back to the corte jaca. Very good. 30-second break. And we are moving on to salsa. We're gonna have side break with crosses, Susie Q, crossover with swivel, and Rueda basic. Okay guys, get ready for that side with a cross. Left foot to the side, 5, 6, here we go. Side, side. We're gonna repeat that. Last one, get ready for the Susie Q. Forward, back. We're gonna repeat. Last one. And we're gonna do that crossover with the swivels. Go. Cross, over. We're gonna repeat that. Get ready for that Rueda basic. Go. Back. Last one. And side and cross. Here we go. Side, cross. Repeat. Susie Q.